Hi guys, get ready with me. Pero naka-ready na ako. Ayun, pakita ang outfit ko for today. So, nakasambas ako. Yeah. Ang pangit mag-fit check yun. Pagano. This is my outfit for today. Kasi I'm going to a TED Talk. It's called TEDx Makati Thrive. Mapua Makati yung mag-host. Tapos mga 4 hours kasi yung event. I have an impression or feeling na malamig talaga dun. Nagtingin ako ng mga past TEDx talks. Tapos parang puro sa atrium ba tawag dun? Basta para siyang sinihan. Auditorium. I'm going to wear this. Also, since lunchtime kasi yung event, like mga 1 kasi siya. So, I decided to buy food na nakakainin ko na sa Grab on the way there. Sabi ko na ba, I'm wearing contacts. Dapat mag-commit talaga ako. Kaya lang, ang dami kasi sasakyan. Tapos, sasakot sa contacts ko. Baka, alam mo yun, exposed to usok, ganun. Baka ano mangyari sa mata ko, ganun. I got siomai and coffee. I really tried to make sure everything fits here. So, yun ako mamaya. Guys, this is really a dream come true for me kasi I once did my own TED Ed naman yun. TED Ed talk. Back in 10th grade. That's 2019. Guys, I can't believe how unreliable my memory is. Kasi I remember having a script. Parang kahit yung mga index card lang. Pinanood ko rin yung video ko. Wala akong script, guys. As in. Tapos I was talking for 14 minutes straight. So, wow, grabe. Kasi parang sabi ko, wala akong script yun. There's no way I would memorize all of that. I did memorize it. Here we are. We're going to our dream event. Yun. Let's go.